Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what are the stuffs I bought from Alleppey, Munnar and Tekdi. So I have bought a lot of shopping. We did a lot of shopping. I bought a lot of stuff like Ayurvedic stuff, some of the clothes, like not some of fancy some clothes because I just wanted to take some of the normal clothes to buy to wear at home and all. So yeah, I got all the stuffs in the reasonable rate. So yeah, let's show you all guys what I brought, and yeah, so let's get started. Before we start this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification for my more videos. So let's start the video. So this is elaichi. This is coffee powder. This is organic coffee powder, so I want to use this, taste it, and should tell you on my Instagram page. Jeera. These are some nutmegs, soft, and this is cocoa powder. This is organic cocoa powder, so I wanted to just taste it because we make a lot of cookies and cakes at home. So I normally buy cocoa powder from market. So I just wanted to try this, how it is and how does this work, and I'll see. Yeah. This is the Ayurvedic hair oil I have bought from there, and this is the Ayurvedic medicine to grow your hair, to get a lustrous and nice growing hair. So all the ingredients are listed down below over here. You can take a look, and the price of this must be somewhere. It's 1,500. This is a smaller bottle, but they have a big bottle also. It is 3,000. I have still not opened it. I have still not used it. I will just see it, how it works and all the reviews will be given it to you right back over here. Is this kasturi haldi, and this haldi also I have used. This kasturi haldi is my face packs and all. It's beautiful, it's really nice. It just gives you the tint of yellow in it, and it just really nice and smoothing to your skin, and I love this. So any face pack, body pack or body scrub, whatever you make at home and all, I personally make everything at home. So this is the kasturi haldi which I use, and this is making some magic to my face packs and all. So this is awesome. The rates of this is something 210. Next is, this is the red sandalwood powder. This is a face pack. You can use it directly or you can mix it with kasturi haldi and a little bit of aloe vera gel. It depends on you, however you want to mix it and however you want to use it. But this is the best thing to use to your face packs and all. And this retails for, I think, 210. So it retails for 210 itself. So yeah, these are the products I brought from Munnar, and I love the product. The spices are so good. The spices are so fresh. So if you want to buy any of this stuff, then all the links are given in the description box. You can go and check it out, or you can just call them out in the phone number, and all they can just deliver to your house, and whatever you wanted you can just pick up from my video and you can just tell them, or you can ask. I have uploaded a Nilambari Spices Garden full video. If you want to check out whatever you need and all, everything is given in the description box. The link is given in the description box. Go and check it out. See that video first, and you will come to know like what products they have and what they create and what stuff they have. So when you call them, you will get a good brief like what you want to buy and what you want to order. Next, let's come for the clothes, and these are like not from one place, these are like from every other place because we had gone for 10 days and we had just left with little bit clothes, and we wanted to buy some home clothes to wear, and taking it for 10 days like would be really heavy. So I had just carried some 1 or 2 pieces to wear like for night time and all. But when I just went there, I wanted some very normal clothes with reasonable rates which I got, and that was like fantastic. Shirt I have bought. This is really loose shirt to wear, and I have worn this in my videos. If you have seen my Munnar videos and all, you will see this shirt which I have wore and shooting and all. So yeah, this is a really nice and really soft material shirt, and I love this so much. And you can just put this and put a short, you're good to go. The next shirt I have bought, and this is a pretty nice combination of colors, and this is from Lee. Yeah, this is from Lee. It's not about brand or something, but it in really normal shops and reasonable rates. Like I think this shirt is something for 200. So yeah, while quality wise I liked it, and I have worn this in my videos also, so you can just go and check it out. Next, this is the shorts I had taken from my husband, and this is a beautiful, so luxurious, so heavy. The jeans, this is jeans type of material, and this jeans material is so good, so good. Like I was searching it for so long. Like I have gone to so many brands, so many malls and all, but I just wanted in this color and a little bit of bright color and all. So I don't know, I just wanted something in bright color, a short for my husband, but I never found it. I just found some blues, some grays, and also all the dull colors. So no, I wanted some of the bright colors. So here I got it, and this is so supremely good. The quality of this cloth is amazing, and I love this. So these shorts are worn by my husband with some of the videos, like when we were traveling and all. So yeah, this is a really nice jeans. If you want to buy any of these clothes and all, you can just I have linked down the owner's number, then you can call them, they can deliver it to you at home. So yeah, is this beautiful plazo. This is really loose and comfortable box plazo, you can call it, like really box plazo, and this is so beautiful. This is so good, and the material is amazing. All the material of this cloth is really amazing. This I bought it for something 210. Yeah, this I bought it for 210, and this is so good. This is like a box type of material. The print on it is really nice, and the color, the combination of the colors, I loved it. So I bought two of this, and I think you have seen this pant in my videos also. And if you have not seen my videos, then please go in the description box. All the links are given in the description box. Please go in the description box, check all the Munnar and Kerala videos. They are amazing. You will get so much of knowledge in that. If you want to go and just visit Kerala, or want to enjoy Kerala, go and check it out. You will just save a lot of money. Next, this is a small shorts I had taken for my kiddo, and this is just for 50 rupees, and the quality of this is amazing .com, like whatever you call it, but it is amazing. The quality of this is supremely good, and I loved it. It's really nice. The second short I had taken for my kiddo. These are all in cotton material, and they are really soft. They are supremely soft. This is the shirt I had taken for my daughter, which she had worn also when we were traveling and all. And the print on this, the dinosaurs on this, I loved it. And the material is really awesome. All the materials, whatever I'm showing you, all the materials are really good. And if you want to buy these type of quality clothes in the malls and all, like this is the one t-shirt you will get. This is the one t-shirt you will get it for some 500 about to 1000 and all, like that is the range of the kids dresses and all. But here I found amazing stuffs and all with reasonable rate. This I bought it for only 100 rupees. Is this frock I had taken for her. This is a soft, supremely soft material, and this this is really little bit big I had taken for her. So this is really soft material. This cost me something for 300 rupees. This cost me for 300 rupees, and this is really nice material. I hope you like this. I love this. The color, the combination of the color, I loved it. They also had some bedsheet with them, and I love bedsheets to be really soft, really good quality, and reasonable. Reasonable. So this is the bed sheet I had taken. This is the color, and I love this color. This is fully plain, and they have it has some strips into it, and I loved it. It has like a silky textury look for that. strips, and I hope you can see. I hope you can see. And these are the pillowcases of them. So these are really good quality, and I hope you can see that also. I had taken this in one color, and next second one is this blue color. I had taken two of these. This is like yellow color and this is blue color, and this is already I started using this. The yellow one I had just kept it for you to just show it to you all. So yeah. Next, I had taken this small little shirt for my kid, and this cost me something for 100. This cost me something for 100, and the quality, the look, and it's so good. What I had taken for myself, this is also a really loose and nice shirt, and yeah, same as quality is amazing, everything is amazing. The cost of this shirt is 200. Next, I had taken this leggings, you can call. Yeah, these are stretchable, and these are leggings, and this also I had taken from my kid, and this cost me something for, I think, 200. It cost me something for 200. So yeah, this is a really nice pant. The elastic of it, the material of it, awesome. One more shirt, same as the material, and it has some prints over here, so yeah, I liked it. This is the last thing what I bought, and this is a really comfortable nice top, you can call it. Really nice top, and I'm making some looks on this, all the shishes, like really dramatic look. Let's see. And this is the, so I bought this top for just for 100 or 200 something. So, yeah, 200. I bought this top for 200 rupees, and this is so good. It's so it's not cotton, it's stretchable. It is stretchable and it is so soft and it is so nice. I loved it. So I hope you like my today's video, my haul video. I got so many questions about it, like please show your haul video, whatever shopped and all. Yeah, I have just come with the video. I hope you are happy with it, and if you have any of the questions, then please like down below, and please do comment below in the comment section. It will mean a lot to me. Bye.